Hey guys, Glen, how are you? Hope you're doing well. I've got a great review for you today. This is basically a very cool, not your normal launch. This is print on demand suite, and what it is, it's really about how to crack the code on making money on Teespring. I know a few years ago Teespring came out and everyone was like all over it, and a lot of people tried a lot of different things and it just didn't work for them. Well, this woman Jocelyn has come out with. She spent about 5 grand and she kind of cracked a code last year. So then she put together this basically this suite of these really cool software tools, and there's going to be a bunch of bonuses you're going to get in there. So what we're going to do is first off, number one, hit subscribe. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell, and make sure you have like. Now here's something interesting, guys. There's no OTOs in this. There's just it's a single sale. There's no down sale. There's no nothing. It's like a $17 product, but what you're going to get is pretty incredible. So let's jump over and take a look at the sales page. And then what I want to do is, yeah, let's look at the sales page. Basically, actually, you know what? Let's look at the demo first. We'll let her explain sort of her thing, and then we'll go through the sales page of what you're going to get. All right, and then I'm actually looking in my sort of big bonuses packages and seeing what else I can add to her bonuses. So we'll have some really cool bonuses for you there. So let's take a look at the video here. She's put together an interesting video on. Let's find it here. Here we go. I'll see you in a minute.
Hey, I'm Jocelyn. Over the last few weeks, you might have heard how a few insiders are making a killing selling t-shirt on a website called Teespring, which has changed to Spring. These people just think of an idea for a t-shirt and make 10, 20, or even $30 each time someone buys one of their t-shirt designs on Teespring. Now you can promote these t-shirt web pages however you want. But most of these insiders are promoting their t-shirt designs with Facebook ads, and that's smart because Facebook ads can instantly put them in front of an audience of over a billion people. So, when you combine Teespring with Facebook's advertising system, the possibilities are endless. It is why people are making as much as $30,000 from a single t-shirt design. It is why Teespring has sold over 1 million t-shirts in the last year, and it is why I sold over $10,000 worth of t-shirts in my breakout month. But there's a problem. A problem that stops 99% of internet properties from enjoying the t-shirt success that they deserve. If you've ever tried Teespring in the past, you might have been put off by how long it takes to get to grips with everything. I should know. I wasted over $5,000 on training designers and Facebook ads, looking for that winning edge. In my quest to crack the Teespring game, I tried every software and system out there, but I never felt like I had an edge over the other. 100,000 Teespring properties were all competing on so-called fair terms. Gradually, what I realized was that I needed an edge, and that's where Print on Demand Suite comes in. And in case you're wondering, what does the POD Suite actually do? Well, here's the easy 4-step formula that me and my fellow Print on Demand Titans follow. Step 1. First, I choose a secret topic or niche market to focus on. The more secret the niche, the better. Step 2. I need to create a design. This is the most important step of all, which is why I use two powerful new approaches. Firstly, I enter a keyword into my T-Searcher software, which scours a dozen t-shirt size for popular designs, those with high sales, high ads, and highlights. This sticks out the best designs that generate explosive profits. Secondly, I put a keyword into my Idea Maker tool. This is preloaded with over 100 ideas, which have already been proven top sellers for t-shirts on Teespring. I simply enter a few words, and dozens of template ideas are generated in under 1 second. I now have a short list of great ideas for my design, and I'm ready to move on to the next stage. Step 3. Now I need to create my t-shirt design. Once again, this is 100% automated using my Auto Designer software. I simply enter my ideas text or images and hit go. The software automatically formats the images and text into a perfect design. Then you simply pick the one you like, download the image and upload it to Teespring. Step 4. Now we've created our design, It's time to get traffic and actually start making sales. We do this using Facebook ads. Now there were several tricks I use here to perfect my Facebook targeting, create the perfect diet, and maximize my chances of profits. I'll share them all with you in the members art, and I can't wait. But there's one tip I'll share with you right now. It's a way to get double-digit click-throughs, 10-cent clicks, and maximum returns. It's a way to finally make Facebook ads work for you. And I call it auto model. Auto model, where you create images of attractive models wearing your tees in eye-catching locations. These images make our ads stand out on the newsfeed, so we get tons of targeted traffic, rock bottom prices. And as of November 2020, we're finally playing the t-shirt game with the deck stuck firmly in our favor. And that's all there is to it. So, there you have it. Print on Demand Suite really is a fresh new way to look at Teespring and Facebook. Can you imagine the kind of results you get with 4 automated software? So are you in? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. And that's not just the Print on Demand Suite software. You'll also get all the bonuses, over 8 hours of training videos covering niche selection, top selling designs and templates, Facebook ads, and much more. A quick start guide that walks you through my complete approach in one simple PDF documents, plus hidden secret videos, where I explain all of my secret tips and tricks, tips like these. So once the price discount ends, I'll have to start charging $147 per month for each license I sell. Sorry, but with a deal this good, there are no second chances. Click on the order button to get started. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Do it right now, so you can finally succeed selling t-shirts. This opportunity will only last so long, like normally helps so many people. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.
Isn't it cool what AI is doing these days? That's pretty cool. If you didn't know, that was an AI spokesperson, which is pretty. Like, I mean, it's still rudimentary. A lot of like you could watch some of the patterns, but anyways, enough. Let's get into. So basically, besides that being AI, this is a really, really cool software for $17. Like, guys, if you got some design ideas rolling around in your head, you know, you see a T-shirt, you see an idea, and you just like you don't know how to get it going, and people are making a killing there. Well, this is something you might want to look at for just like under $20. You can pick this up, and it's going to be a very cool thing. Okay, so let's jump over to the sales page, and we'll take a look at it. So this is Print on Demand Suite. It looks like it's going to be on sale for 14 days or 13 days. There's the video again. So a steal 19,500 t-shirt designs that made $520,000 with Facebook ads in 4 clicks. So like she said, there's basically you find the secret 100 profitable t-shirt niches, right? And so this is why you want to be on this first and kind of jump on it. Step 2, create 100 proven designs in 1 click. So you can design your clicks, you sell your t-shirts on Teespring in minutes, predict how profitable your Facebook ads are. So that, and there's going to be training on how to get those Facebook ads going. Now you can sell t-shirts and Facebook ads for equaling plus Facebook ads 83,000 a month. Here's how to profit with t-shirts. Now, guys, disclaimer: who knows what you'll make? But for like literally for $17, and you go out and you make $100, $200 a month, that's a really good investment. Not saying that, and there's no guarantees, guys. It's up to you what you can do. 20 insiders made $1 million with t-shirts. So March 1st to April 12th, 2021. That's 20 insiders made $1 million. It's pretty amazing. 1706 sold, available until March 6th. So 800,000 from 12 t-shirts, guys. It's crazy. So you want to profit by selling t-shirts. So step 1, find profitable niches. Step 2, create design. Searchers search Amazon. So this is going to basically, instead of you trying to figure it all out yourself, it's going to give you the tools to be able to do this. And then the last thing it does, it's going to put your design, which I really like, on a model. Like, this is really key. And I don't know if you've known, I've been in graphic design for years, guys. When you have a flat t-shirt design, it will never sell as much as if you put it on an attractive model. You're just going to sell. People buy lifestyle. They see the t-shirt on that attractive model, and they're like, yes, I want that. That's what I want. I want that lifestyle. That's what they're buying, right? So that's why this auto model is very, very cool. Create images of the models wearing your designs. You can put backgrounds in, all that cool thing. It's a very, very cool suite, guys. That's all there is to it. 130, so 130 beautiful designs for 150 proven niches, 19,500 t-shirt designs. Check out what clients say. Go on. So you ready to, let's go to the bonuses here. So bonus 1, quick start guide ebook. Step-by-step getting started instantly, detailed screenshots for each step. Step 2 is a video course, all topics covered. Step 3 is a latest 100 best-selling t-shirt list, so you can go see what's selling and what you can make, not copy, but make a similar, something similar to it. The latest 100 best-selling t-shirt template. Examine my 4 automated softwares in your home for 30 days. So it's guarantee, 30-day money-back guarantee. And all you have to do is buy. So this is it. So that's it, guys. It's like 17 bucks to pick this up. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I'm going to be throwing some bonuses in, and this is a very unique product that you can pick up for just a couple of bucks. I don't know. At 14 days, I don't know if it'll just go away. Will she put the price up? I don't know. There was no indication of that in the information I was provided as an affiliate. But basically, that's really cool. All right, guys. So that's it. If you want instant access, click the link below. Go grab it right now. The bonuses will be delivered in your back office with your receipt, so you don't have to worry about that. And I recommend checking this out. Like, you can't really go wrong. There's very little you can get for under 20 bucks these days that could potentially make you a career, or who knows, if you have a Blockbuster t-shirt, or maybe you have a Blockbuster t-shirt every 3 months and it goes off. So this has been my print on demand suite review and sort of a walkthrough, I guess. Highly recommend it. And guys, if you're just looking for affiliate marketing training, check out the links below. My number one business, and also grab my free 6-figure blueprint checklist. It's how you can quickly get to making. I'm not gonna guarantee you're gonna get to 6 figures right away, but it is the steps that you need to take in order to become an affiliate marketer online. Hopefully this is helpful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.